Alright, welcome back YouTube. Man, this is gonna be a sad video. Kinda, sorta. But before I get into the sadness, I wanna thank you guys. You know, we've gone from, in 2 weeks, we've gone from 140 to 180 subscribers. And I need you guys to hit that like button and comment below. You know, help YouTube find us. You know, it's awesome that you're watching. We just got the big congratulations this morning when I logged in. I was checking on what you guys have been doing. It said congratulations, you got over 1,000 hours of views within so many days, or this month, I can't remember. But anyway, I mean, it's crazy to log in and they're telling you, hey, your channel's doing good. But we need you to hit that like button, subscribe button, and share it. I mean, if you don't think anybody's gonna like it, just share it anyway. And then comment below on what we're doing, and if you got questions, please feel free to ask. I log in there every day to see if anybody's commented and, you know, trying to figure out how to make the channel grow. But to get to the sad stuff. Sad stuff is that Kyle, my youngest son, you've seen him in a couple videos, he bought a brand new computer. We just built it last night, and I used the memory card that had the last set of videos on it to make the Windows boot disk, so it deleted it all. And so you ain't gonna see the video of us putting the latches in and the hinges, but might be a good thing that you don't, because we kind of got screwed. The carpet gaps kind of screwed us on this. After we got it in and got it screwed down, it's like these, come on over here, the rod locker doors, they're hung, they get stuck, and the carpet gaps is what's killing us right now. So I'm trying to figure out how to fix that problem. The other problem we ran into is that the little where'd they go? I just had them. I was going to show and tell you, but the little 10-pound doors shocks that I ordered were too light. After I put all the weight on it, it just wouldn't stay up. So I got these from Home Depot, and these are 20 pounds. And they were the same price. They're in the cabinet section at Home Depot. I didn't even know that. We were just walking around. And, but as you can tell, it catches down here now because of the carpet. And it catches real bad and pushes the side of the boat. And then you come over here. This one's just the opposite. I ain't gonna open it because I got the rods on top of it, but it's just the opposite. It catches up there as it opens. And then this other advice, when you're cutting your boards and you got them labeled top and bottom, make sure that's the way you put them back into your boat, top or bottom. This got glued upside down. And, you know, you would think it being a straight line, it wouldn't hurt, but these right here didn't get cut straight, so it kind of tweaked this, and that might have been what screwed us up all around, other than carpet gap, is that this door, you know, doesn't fit back down here like it should. And then carpet gaps. I'm going to harp on this big, is that once we put the carpet on, put the latches back in, the locks that we had, come up here, you can see this one better. Plus it has a, it'll stay open. The actual locks, latches on here, they wouldn't catch no more because you got the thickness of this carpet and the thickness of that carpet. Changes it a lot. And the only reason, you know, you have to worry about it, especially in this build, this is wood. So the more times you run the screws in and out trying to adjust this, the looser the wood gets and it won't hold it. So these should not be adjusted and put in until after you have your carpet on. And this one adjusted out pretty good. These were easy to adjust because it's just that aluminum railing that we put in there. We bent it up. But this one is giving us a hard time. And I think it's because the board got flipped when we put the carpet on. This pan, I have to go back and find a video that the guy showed me or posted about this pan and this drywall or dryer pan, but this thing's awesome. I'm hoping once this is bolted in for good, because it's still got to come back an inch, I can slide all this back and it'll hold this. This will fall down in there and be a lot better. But here's got the hummingbird in here. Twist it, grab the trolling motor. Let me get these tools out of the way. Just grab it, flip it up, grab it up, comes right on back. Everything fits on the boat without me having to take anything off. And that is what we were so worried about in the beginning on this hummingbird when we were originally going to mount this straight back. And I'm kind of glad we didn't mount it straight back, because then it would run into the seat. It had been on the pedal. This little 20-degree angle, 30-degree angle, whatever you want to call it, made a world of difference. And this right here could actually be moved over, because this door, when you open it, ain't even close. My eyeball measurement, so right there's the top of the door, that this can be moved over, so it gets away from this big heavy bulk when people are putting it up and down. But carpet gaps, carpet gaps, carpet gaps. It's coming back and biting us in the butt right now. All right. So like I said, carpet gap, carpet gap, carpet gap. Mind that carpet gap. These are the two that wouldn't work here and here. So I'm hoping that together they'll work on this door and I hold all of this weight. That's the plan for these. Now our carpet gap, this is what we use for carpet gap. This is, let me measure it here. I know y'all ain't gonna be able to see the tape measure, so you'll have to trust me on what it says. 3/16. This is 3/16, and we put this in everything, shoved it in between those boards. See, it even still fits a little bit. I don't know why the carpet's so tight, but we use this between everything. When we were measuring and we were trimming and screwing things down in the original decking, we had this as our gap. Everything worked. Doors worked, everything opened. We're like, all right, it looks like we got enough. So, not enough, 3/16. So, our next boat build, we'll probably use this. And I think this is a full quarter. Yep. We'll end up using a quarter gap on everything. And I think I might have watched a video where a guy suggested using quarter on everything. But this is the thin carpet. It doesn't have the rubber backing, so I figured I'd get away with that. So, like I said, with that being said, it's carpet gap. You gotta watch it. It will screw you quick. Sorry that you didn't get to see all of this. You know, just putting hinges on, cutting these out, and measuring them the distance to make them work with the latches. That took us about 20 to 30 minutes to figure out and make sure that we were able to repeat the process and not stand around and think about how to do it. I'm going to be making a video to show you guys how to trim these. So in that video I might tell you how to measure them and set the distance between your latch and everything. So sorry that it's just an explanation video of how we screwed up. Hopefully y'all can catch these before you do it. You know, learn from my mistakes and the fact that I'm bummed out that I deleted a whole video somewheres that was showing y'all all of this. So that's it. Like, share, subscribe. Please comment. Please hit the like button. YouTube likes it when you hit the like button and it starts putting us out there in the algorithm that people are liking it. Another thing you could do is before you go to bed, click on one of our playlists and just let the thing play all night. You know, get those views racked up on everything. As soon as we can get these videos going to, you know, where we're getting lots of views, it motivates us more. And I love doing it. It gives me time with my kids, and my kids seem to like it a little bit, so we'll keep it going. So thank you. Keep watching for the videos.